Let's talk about liquidity. What I mean about this and the reason why we are not trading as retail traders. I see the liquidity as price manipulations to make a momentum, to make a real move and catch as many stop losses from beginner traders as possible. And this is my best way of trading. I tried a lot of retail patterns, and sometimes they are working, but most of time I was always losing money. Retail traders don't know about supply and demand. They're usually based on support and resistance levels, with belief that more retests of the price level or small area is making this area stronger, and we are trading here opposite to this belief. I want to show you this a few examples on few time frames, and let's start with the M30. Here I drew the demand zone. It is drawn different because this is from the 1 hour time frame demand, but I switched to the M30 to show cleaner the support. Here we have the something what retails are calling as a double bottom. It's two times price were at the same price level, so probably a lot of people were looking here for a buy. Even if this move in this case was so big, we as smarter traders shouldn't have any fear of missed opportunity to wait a bit longer with bigger patience to catch the true buy. So if some retail traders use this as a double bottom and joined the trade on retest, and then some later wanted to join also because here's probably so strong support, so in here who knows how many of these people were looking for a buy opportunity because of support. And when they put the buy, we as a smarter guys should wait for a liquidity grab. What happened? Yes, this equal lows and support was created above the demand zone. And here comes the logic and some explanation. If these guys were looking for a buy, but the price was going down, hit their stop losses, what they probably did, they probably wanted to join the sellers on retest to make this loss back, yes. And when we see the liquidity grab and looking for a buy, they were already on the sell position. And look what happened. Probably these guys lost the money twice. Yet they were in panic. At first losing buy, then joining the sellers, and once again manipulation. So this is what I'm looking for. And so I'm not trading double top or bottoms. I'm always waiting for taking the stop losses. Let's check how it looks like on the M5. Just a different scenario. I have here also the demand zone, and just above the zone were created equal lows, what could be also called as a support. So some of traders maybe took a buy here because of double bottom, or were waiting longer to take a trade from support. But what happened? There was a liquidity grab, the thing what we are looking for. So if someone took a buy here, he lost. He wanted to join the sellers to recover the account, and he lost for a second time. And then somewhere here we are looking to take a buy. But about entries, it will be in next lessons. This is just to know how the market moves and what we are looking for. And let's check the M1 example. Here it is just more with bigger risk, because the drone demand was used few times, but on two previous examples the equal lows and support was created just above the zone. And I want to show you that sometimes it can also happen on the higher edge of the zone, in this case on demand. So price was sitting here, looks like rejection, third time as a proof how strong the support is, and then happened the liquidity grab. Take a look also that liquidity grabs need to be with the high volume, and the pushback should be made as soon as possible. Here we can see that the rejection wave was so strong that even left a gap here, so powerful push back up. So please remember, we're not trading here support or double, triple bottoms. We're always looking for a break of the zone to invite even more traders to see the panic on the market and to join the opposite side. This is also same with resistance and equal highs. Here I drew the bigger zone. It is on daily time frame. I'm not usually marking so big zones, but this is to show you the examples why we are not trading double top in this case, and rejection from resistance with belief that multiple touches are making this area stronger. It's just making the pressure to invite more traders to catch their stop losses. So for me, here's very clean resistance and equal highs just below the big zone. So yes, there was a rejection. They invited the sellers correctly, and then it was boom, break of this resistance. So it could be read by retail traders as a break of structure, and resistance became support. So what could happen here as a retest? Even more buyers who lost before tried to join the retest as a simple boss, and they lost second time. This is wonderful. It happened every single day. So that's why patience always pay, as we are saying. Let's check an example on the lower time frame. Here's also supply zone. Price made equal highs. So we are not trading the double top. We are waiting for break of this. So once again, yes, the beginner traders were manipulated, and this happened very often also to me in the past. When I lost one trade by some fast move, I was in panic. Yes, this is not a secret. I blew a few accounts, and when I lost in one wave, I tried almost always to catch the opposite wave, because the break and retest was always interesting for me. And just later I learned that there are just market manipulations. Any fake outs, I don't like this word. I prefer to use the liquidity grab. So we should always wait for this price action. And the example on M1 about equal highs is also below the supply, different day, different scenario, but similar move. Yes, equal highs which made the resistance rejection candles as invitation. I know that retail traders are not probably trading M1, but I read the candles same on all time frames. Rejection candle is a rejection candle, so we could say that this is moving like a fractals. What happened on the bigger time frame, the similar candles can be created on the lower time frame. And once again, move to the up, break of this resistance could be read by retail traders as a break of structure, that resistance became support, so second trade, and boom, it was a sell. Just taking the better price for a true sell. So don't be too early, don't be manipulated, but wait for our pattern. I also shared on the guide channel, so now I need to say sorry about changing the background from so dark to the light. And this is what I shared on the guide channel, the maybe a bit cleaner and wonderful line chart, what we are looking for. Yes, not trading double tops or double bottoms, because usually these are created above demand or below supply, or even touching the lower edge of supply or higher edge of demand. Please always wait for the liquidity grab. So the manipulation move. This is our key from about this strategy. So this is only about how the market is moving, and we are going slowly to the entries.